Okay, I'm on the trail that runs behind Butterfly Court right now. The trail that is marked on the map that says it is open. As you can see, this doesn't look safe to me. Not at all. The trail back that way is amazingly cleaned up since the last time I came through here. But this concerns me. This will show you kind of what's been done with the stuff that was cut down here so far. And here's where a tree fell and kind of breached the fence. Not sure if that's a Lagacy fence or the property owner next door fence. Okay, I'm on the trail that goes from the trail behind Butterfly and Aurora and goes back to the park, which was marked open on the map. So this is another concern I have. I could walk around that, but not sure I want to. Walking in a yard to get around this. And here along the same trail is more stuff down in the trail. Continuing to walk, see stuff that's been thrown over the fence, like we've been told not to do, I guess. You can see there's still stuff here. And all along here, pushed back to the fence. This is the little park area that has been very neglected. The gazebo is in bad shape. Okay, here's the river. Throwing this in because it is up. I've never seen it up this far. This is on one of the little offshoots off the trail. As you can see, it's probably been underwater here, but it's receded some. But this leg of the trail that goes back up, you would not be able to cross here unless you had on your waders, because it is still covered. So this part of the trail should not be marked open because you can't go through there right now, unless you came from the other side, I guess. Some more of the river. It's so pretty right now. At least you can get down here and see it. It is up really high. But no problems to get down here. This is the other leg of the trail that goes down to the river from the other side, where I was a few minutes ago as I show how it's flooded out and you can't cross it right here. So if you want to go to the river, take this second leg and not this one. Isn't it just beautiful down here?